This is where reliability lives, not in words, but in action. Quality and design is our constitution for built-to-last cabinetry, where precision meets scale. With over 500,000 square feet of stocked warehouse space, inventory is ready. Headquartered in Arizona, built for efficiency, and logistics designed to pivot without hesitation. That is how delivery stays consistent, averaging 7 to 9 days nationwide. And when projects scale, support scales with them. Sales teams who understand construction, from single residential builds to large commercial programs, customer support that stays present from first call to final delivery. Highlands shows up responsive, reliable, and ready. No matter the size, no matter the location, this is Highland Cabinetry. Built to last, built to support,